Education is fundamental for achieving full human potential, developing an equitable and just society, and promoting national development. Education was a subject of many changes before and after independence. The new national education policy is a complete breakthrough from the nursery level to higher education. Let's look at what national education is and the concerns they raise. The new policy is going to be implemented by demolishing the existing school education and dividing it into several layers. There is a big change in school education and higher education. The medium of education should be the mother tongue till the 5th standard. After that, the report suggests that provides knowledge in the vocational field. In integrated education, the critical recommendation in the report is a unified school education system. Students or parents can decide what type of education they currently need, but as the situation in which the government decides what to study ends the diversity. It has educational, political and social dimensions and is therefore worrying. The new policy will eliminate the opportunity to choose between traditional education after 10th class or technical education like Polytechnic and ITI. According to the new guidelines, the higher education students must pass an examination conducted by the National Testing Agency at the national level for higher education. 4-year courses are being started along with 3-year courses. And finally, the concern of this policy are two. Baba Saheb Ambedkar believed that the liberation of the downtrodden was possible only through modern English language education. He feared that the return of traditional education, as in the new policy, would lead to the rebirth of the traditional social system and culture. Government have always seen education as the most crucial way to implement their economic, social and philosophical views. Implementation of new education policy creating anxiety. We should try to make education accessible to every child in the country. May our children become the youth of tomorrow for a new India. Thank you.